Hey, Russ Whitney here at russwhitney.com. Let's see, this is coming from Thailand 233. A quick question, he says. Not that quick, but anyway. I know there's already plenty of I'm new to real estate investment people. I have X amount of money, whatever that means. What should I do? But I do have a specific question to anyone more experienced. Okay, what is the reasoning behind not buying more properties from the landlords? To explain, I'm talking about properties being sold that are already being rented out and have tenants with good proven ROI. ROI, would it be safe investment if it's already been shown to work? I don't see many posts about that. Yeah, because you don't have a lot of real estate experienced people willing to just pass out free information like we do. So here's the answer to that question. First of all, it's a great idea to buy from an existing landlord. So what I would do if I were you is I would join your local landlording association. Almost every city in town has one, just like they have local RIAs, which is real estate clubs. You pay small dues and they have a monthly meeting. They'll usually have a lawyer at one meeting. They'll have a title insurance company at another meeting, a rehab person. You learn. But anyway, you get to rub shoulders with the players in town that own income-producing properties. The reason it's a good idea is because they understand creative financing. It's not 20 or 30% down like a bank, and you get a mortgage. If the property is in cosmetic distress, and many times they would be willing to hold the financing to get a monthly payment if they don't need the cash. Also, in some cases, it would be to avoid paying a huge capital gain tax. So in other words, let's say I got an apartment and it's $1 million, and I'm free and clear. I'm going to have to pay a capital gain of 15% on that. So that's what, $150,000. If I hold the mortgage and I just have, let's say, call it a $3,000 a month payment, I'm only paying tax on the $30,000 each year, not the whole gain. Now, I know that may sound a little complicated. Go to russwhitney.com. We've got all kinds of training pieces on there for you to look at. The other thing that you got to look at is if it's in good shape, you're not getting any deal. You're going to be buying at market value. What you want to be looking for in a multi-unit apartment building is you want to buy something cosmetically distressed. Needs paint, needs cleanup, maybe landscaping, tender love and care. No ripping off roofs if you're not experienced or foundation work. You want the least amount of cosmetic improvement that can give you the most amount of increased value. Hope that answers your question.